Johannes. It's close to, I've got
Okay.
a younger sister.
Okay.
She'll also be.
Okay. Alrighty. She'll be here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got a younger sister.
Yeah.
Who sebenza nebantwana laba autistic.
Yes.
So ngesikhathi uma ku-autism vele awareness, I make sure ukuthi nami I go out.
Ukhona.
Uyabona ngikhona.
In support of your sister.
Of my sister, of course.
Yes.
Of course, I'm that artist.
You know.
Making sure ukuthi ngiyamendela, like my posters, I draw and
Oh.
ukuthi kube kuhle.
Yeah,
and everybody abone laba bafika bede my posters then they'll get to
never
have.
Sherela, yes.
Yeah, yena ngalo prepare speech sakhe, mina
Busy
I'm the
ngama
artist.
posters.
Yeah, one
artist Lowford workers.
yeah, kube kuhle nje. Yeah, that one is very like special. No, actually we are doing an amazing job. It's not about mask upside.
Yeah.
That job actually doesn't talent. We are human.
Yes.
So finally sibuye together. Umalunga leliwa lilahlekile. Same as wawena ekhaya yabona uma ngabe wena ungekho right.
Yeah.
The whole family na ingekho right because kube wena kumele kunese wena. So same as uma kunelunga lishonelwe or sishonelwe lilunga thina.
Yes.
We need to be one. Kumele sibambisane.
Yeah.
So it's not ukuthi sibadala ngoba sibambisane. No, it's not that.
Yeah.
Like kuba nebuntu.
Yes. Yes.
Mina ngikhule ekhaya, my mother had two mates, me and my sister.
Yes.
But mamkhulu asikhulanga ukuthi ngithi kuphela zethu
Yeah.
baningi bayafika labanye. Okay, she was a professional nurse.
Sanibonani babukeli bami emakhaya. This is Lawful Walkers podcast, and of course this is your host Rebecca Mdleli, podcasting live emigwaqweni yangase University of Mpumalanga. Namhla nginilandzela yena seSinosipho wakamkhabela. Sifuna phela kumati ukuthi udume ngani kahle kahle ngaphandle kweLawful Walkers nakhona la ekhaya kuLawful Walkers, because of course labaningi abamati ligama lakhe, but siyambona agijima khona la emgwaqweni. Wena hlala lapha uthi ne ngiselandzela seSinosipho sitamati kancane.
Knock on knock. 1 + 1 is 2. Kama mkulu noto. Nisho jalosko. Tula mabota. Ata tubadi kolo. Knock on knock. Ay onoroko. Knock on knock.
Look say how you feel buki. Tana tedi bota tubadi kolo. Start the moto kupuki convoy. Sala kokong sayo di koslo. Mina tata na wama koslo. Tata genana. Baby pandras. Dakalan wana ngatuzo smangas. Yeah, I snoko noko. Ikolezu ya ikopos.
Njengoba ngishide babukeli bami kwethi ngilandza yena seSinosipho wakamkhabela. Today is the day where we finally get to know ukuthi who is this beautiful soul simbona ehla enyuka kaLawful Walkers. Sifuna kumati ukuthi phela udume ngani. So ke namhla kunamoya elamancamo. Unjani seSinosipho?
Ngiyaphila sisibhekhe njani?
Ngiyaphila sithandwa sami. Namhla ke ngicela ungitshele babukeli bethu emakhaya nalabalalela ukuthi seSinosipho ungubani.
Nosipho. It's a beautiful lady, born in Nelspruit, khona la. Yeah, ngikhulela khona lana kusekhaya.
Yes.
Ngihlala nje.
Khona la.
Ngihlala khona la.
Yeah.
Ngikhulela la.
Yes.
Wala.
Yeah, mara nivile.
Wala eMpumalanga.
Yebo. A beautiful lady. Nivile. Ngathi angeva nini. A beautiful lady wakhona la eMpumalanga. Kuphi nenzawo eMpumalanga?
Likazi Kanyamazane nakamfayini.
Okay. Yeah, ngindle nganivalele ekhoneni ngithi baphi baselekazi ngathi. Nasishaya isibani.
Sashaya isibani. Esingafuni kwasani. Ngicela ukuthi imoto. You know what? Sasebenza. Sijana lapho emgwaqeni.
Uyabuyelela. Uyishaya le.
Yes, make sure ukuthi imoto tema-workers.
Yeah, to save.
Right. Masibona umuntu athi asonzela. Sengithi lapha.
Yeah.
Ukuthi okay, kwenzakalani.
Yeah.
Ngoba bekhona nabhuda hamba faka baflyer la emotweni.
Oh.
Okay,
Wenza njani manje?
Kwenzakalani lapho. khuluma nathi kuqala sibaphathi bendawo yeah but then
Yeah.
imoto beti-right
Beti-right,
phephile besifuna kumake sure ukuthi wonke umuntu lote kuwalk
Yeah.
akahambi sekakhala ukuthi
Yeah.
imoto yakhe seyigcekiwe we make sure ukuthi
Yeah.
konke right
Guys.
and angikhumbuli ngiva umuntu acomplaina
No,
ukuthi athi imoto yakhe
akekho lo
bekunenkinga.
complainile.
Besinje besilapha
Yeah, benifike gathatha.
kathatha uthi hey please
Yeah, do not there. Yathi inhlekiswa yini ke bami ukuthi, you know what I asked them ukuthi team you guys, I think they actually thought we've got gifts for them or something. All the excitement. Ngithi sila masithi hayi ke sentos ka But siyabonga kakhulu, it was their first time of course bagatha imoto, but they did an amazing job.
Yeah.
Imoto sithole tonke right depends. So like haya mamela sina sinetikile letingabi nalo ngamcabanga ukuthi into angayenda hayi yakutshela into iveta lethi methi imoto very soon. Ukuthi bagatha kahle.
That's just sitholakala sishaya a young 6K nyana lapha yabona shona so
Oh, you didn't lose anything.
yabona
Hayi, life is good ke
Yeah.
manjalo. No, ngiyabonga sithandwa sami, ngibonga kakhulu for that. Now it is a beautiful morning today. Ngivele ngaba hijacker kanti ke abasana stress bajwayele hijacker ngini ke lapha. The three musketeers but ngithethe lo one ke manje. Sithandwa, tell me, i-lawful walkers why join nini futhi weva kuphi nayo?
okay lawful walkers ngayijoyina April 2018
Okay.
bengibhizi ku-social media okay I was still on Facebook back then
Yeah.
okay ngiyabona bapostile beyiqala eValencia
Yes.
afaka nema-details wakhe bamashaba lapha ukuthi i-contact I was like okay in the morning
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this because I'm not a runner.
Yes.
Kahle ngoba semgwaqeni it's not really into done but then now since I'm gonna put okay there's more walkers instead
Yeah.
of runners and I'm like okay no I'm interested
Yes.
ngifuna ukuya ku-walk in the morning ngamfonela kwamashaba okay ngathi introduce of it ngasho ukuthi okay ngibone i-post Facebook
Yeah.
kune-walk sihamba njani sifike sibhakaphi wangidirector vele
Yes.
okay mase ngifika ngale eValencia ngabona bokuthulana TC
Yeah, yeah.
ngavula lifastero mqaka
Yeah.
ngisapaka la imoto athi okay akunakikazizi akapaka imoto
Yes.
okay sahamba vele la sihlanganela khona okay so many people I'm like oh this is interesting
Yeah, yeah.
okay sawalk again that was my first walk
Okay,
it was
okay.
12 point something kilometers
Wow. Your very first walk, it was 12
Very
point
first,
something.
yes.
Wow, that was beautiful.
it was sisuka
Yeah.
ke from lapha eValencia
Yes.
we walked to Mkhatsini.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Hayi siyawalka ke. Mina ngifakela amateki lengijima ngawo vele.
Yeah.
Iskontiri. Iskontiri. Hayibo. Yakusabonakalani? Amateki amsawadzambile. Oh, what's happening?
Yebo,
amateki adzambile.
Yeah. Uyashukwa.
Uyashuka. Siwoke. Ufike eKarino. Okay, fine. Dinyawo ngiyadinga but yabona kuna this thing.
Yeah.
You know, bengacabangi izinto leti sifike ke kahle eKarino energy vele still high.
Yeah, you are there.
Sibona nabantu ngatiko lapha. I was like, oh, you're also here.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Ngihamba kahle ngaye ekhaya. Got home. But nami ngithi ngiyadikhathalela.
Yebo.
Ngiyasebenza.
Yeah.
Ngenza lapho ngihlala phansi. Ngibukela i-funeral yamamuntu. Ngathi nje
No wonder ungakhohlwa.
ngikhumbula like very well.
Yeah.
Ngiyahlala ngiyabukela i-funeral yamamuntu. Nabo-ke ngiyasukuma phela. Ngifuna ukuyothatha amande.
Hey, yaqala inkathazo kade.
Ayasuka. Yafasa. Yafasa but yabona kulokufasa kwakhona ukuthi akusikuthi ngathi mara bengendani why do I know?
Yeah, it was exciting. It was imnandi.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yabona nasendlini bathi ayibo uhamba ubambelela ngema-walls kwento enjani
Yes.
bendole ngiyivala I made sure ukuthi the next week I was there until ke
Up until namhlanje njengoba ula. No, indeed, the first day was a beautiful moment for you. Lenze waze wagcina ula today. No, siyabonga kakhulu ke sithanda sami. Njengoba ke sisaqhubeka nayenza wethu sesivile ukuthi sesiwethu uyijoyine nini i-Lawful Walkers and uhappy kangakanani ngayo. So sithandwa sami wena basically uli ancestor like Lawful Walkers. Because i-Lawful Walkers yavula 2018 and then nawe ujoyine 2018. Uli ancestor wena.
Ngingino nje.
Sikhothama kuwe ma.
Mara ngitsingileli yabo.
Yeah. We share under carpet, underground.
The underground.
Underground gangs. No, ngiyabonga kakhulu sithando sami. And you guys, now you know ukuthi sasinosipho kena ungilo ancestor le-Lawful Walkers. Mayihlanganisa uyahlanganisa bahluke nje ngetinyanga kuphela. Understand? So ke sithando sami, tell me like khaya sinamatafula lamaningi lahlukahlukene. We've got ngisho ngathi gender based. We've got a wholesomeness desk, we've got youth desk, we've got bereavement desk, maningi nje sinabo budwethu laphayana i-safety desk. Ngiliphi itafula sithando sami likhambela phambili wena lo lithanza kakhulu ukuthi yabona i-Lawful Walkers did a good thing ukuthi ibeke leli tafula leli or wathanza wabona angabaleke kakhulu ngendlela lefana?
Definitely onke nje vele abalekile kakhulu ngema-Tuesdays vele also forward to my friends.
Yeah.
Oh, bathi nabo please ungakhohlwa today.
Yeah.
Please ufuna kubona ukuthi sidla njani.
Yes,
Today is
yes.
a maintainer. Yabona bafika.
Yeah.
Mfethu la mgwaqeni. Guys, please be safe.
Yeah.
Guys, be
Yeah.
safe. Bayasinakekela emgwaqeni. Kumele sicrosse. They make sure nje ukuthi asicrossing noma ngikuphi.
Yeah.
Because people are always saying, no, but then ku dangerous lapha emgwaqeni.
Yeah.
Kanjani bo N4 no, we are sorted.
Yes.
Konke ku right.
Yes.
Yabona protocol ishaka hamba kahle like
Yes.
sibadala kana loud sibadala basho ukuthi okay ungacross kuphi yeah ku crossa la ubona khona kunemuntu lekagqokile kahle to show like invisibility uyambona ukuthi okay
Yeah.
vele fanele crossa ba anything to this person
Yeah,
because
yeah.
vele at the end of the day usave impilo yakho
Yeah.
la ngoba ukhala ukuthi hayi ukuthi laba basikho
Yeah.
konke nje right
Kuhambela kahle.
nje
Yeah.
kunama awareness siyaphuma vele ukuthi people must know ukuthi we are in support.
Yeah. No, sithanda sami i-ancestor phela njalo leli. Lichazela kahle uvisise. Ngiyabonga sithanda sami for that. Now okay, you know, as we are always walking every Saturday morning, but as months achinchana kuba nama awarenesses lendakalako la ekhaya, we also do follow lapho masiyathanza ke ifundisisa la ekhaya. We like people ukuthi bathi ukuthi bame kuphi ngayo yonke into emhlabeni. So we've got gender-based violence walk, we've got HIV and AIDS, we've got autism, we've got so many different walks. Ngipho wena le walk lesithi masi-dedicate a certain awareness wena uthi uyabona lena angifuni kusala angifuni kulova I must be there emsebenzini ngamane ngibadoje mangabe bathi ngene lena ngifuna kube ngikhona khona noma mhlabe onke kuwe ayafana.
Okay, ayafana ne but
Yeah.
this special one
Yeah.
autism awareness
Ah.
yeah it's close to you know I've got
Okay.
a younger sister
Okay.
she'll also be
Okay, alright, she'll be here.
yeah I've got a younger sister
Yeah.
usebenza nebantwana laba autistic
Yes.
so ngesikhathi uma ku-autism vele awareness I make sure ukuthi nami I go out
Ukhona.
yabona ngikhona
In support of your sister.
of my sister of course
Yes.
of course I'm that artist yabo
You know.
make sure ukuthi ngiyamendela like my posters
Yeah.
I draw and
Oh.
ukuthi kube kuhle
Yeah,
and everybody
yeah.
abone laba bafika bede my posters when they
Yeah,
get to have
Sherela, yes.
yeah yena ngalo prepare speech
Speech.
sakhe mina
Ubhizi
I'm the
ngama-posters
artist.
lapha. Yeah.
One
Artist Lawful Walkers.
yeah kube kuhle nje yeah
Yeah.
that one is very like special
No, Titandra, thank you so much, Titandra, for that. Nifile ke ukuthi sesiwethu-ke uyawathanda indeed wonke ama-walks, but the autism walk we-close to enhlitweni yakhe, well, because of sisithethe leyo ndlela leyo. And siyabonga kakhulu shem ngama-post. Vele sithamka singawaphathanga because we know ukuthi masifika ethimini khona i-artist, ukhona umdwebi, umhlanganisi wethu, and then utasishebela. It is beautiful indeed. Sandra, let's take it to our long walks. Some people call it Mandela Walk, long walk to freedom. We are piecing Africa, you know. But lama long walks wethu sizamahlanganisa the African countries ukuthi sibe munye, sazane kangcono, sikhumbule futhi ukuthi we are one blood, siphathane kahle. So what's your take on it? How do you feel about it? Do you feel uma kufika lo June wethu sesithatha ke le long walk yethu, are we doing an amazing job? Siyakuthola yini lesithi sizama ukwenza?
Of course, definitely.
Yeah.
We are Africans.
Yes.
Africans, yeah, we are united.
Yeah.
So we're trying that. Njengamanje you are in Lesotho.
Yes.
So when we Lesotho, they must know that South Africa, Mpumalanga, straight to Bombela, kunenga local workers.
Yes.
Benda this thing ukuthi bahlanganisa the countries. Yebo akhona ama political issues lakhona, but then thina sibantu.
Yeah.
Simunye, we are together.
Yes.
Kumele sibe imbumba.
Yes. Samba.
Yabona sibambane.
Yes.
Sikhombise manje abantu babona ukuthi oh okay, actually abantu laba bayavana because anisibathi ukuthi nabantu abamnyama futhi asihlangane together.
Yeah.
Siyalwana na. But then now babona ukuthi oh these people unity.
Yes.
We are together, we are one. Yabona. La indleleni nje yabona uma ngibuka lama video because mina I don't really get the chance ukuthi ngihlangane nani because of work and my financial year end.
Yes. Yeah.
Mabuka lama video yabona ukuthi oh these people yabona sometimes also ube emotional.
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is so nice. Yabona ngikhumbula le corporate punishment lena ayithi. I'm like injury to us.
Injury to all.
This is unique.
Yes.
Nice. Naleti ngululu la indleleni.
Yeah.
That encourage. Come on guys, nothing alana we are following.
Yes.
Liking, sharing, Instagram, WhatsApp and whatnot.
Yes.
So like people will be asking me, "Zaibo, when hamba makilometers kangaka?"
Yeah.
I prove.
Sila.
Yebo, and that's always right futhi. Ude lo ngathi uthi hey uyagula, ukugula kwakuphila la.
We understand?
Nje.
Hayi.
Nokuphila kulokho kokhazi kuyaphileka.
Kunobu doctor obu natural.
You know what?
No, sister, siyabonga kakhulu. Yabona ukuthi i-lawful walker yangempela noma ingahambanga mara she is so up to date with everything that is happening. Masiphumile siye ekhashane, she follows us. Make sure ukuthi uma ngabe kulenda umuntu kuyi athi le team yeni yahlanya yini kwenakalani akhona ekuchaza kahle.
You be advocate.
We are understand.
Advocate.
Yes.
Hey, you don't say anything negative. Let it go. Yeah. I advocate for the team.
No, thank you so much. It's time to
Because anyway, you're doing the
I mean, look at us. Look at us.
Gorgeous, alive.
We understand.
It's vibrant.
Uzobufunani ke enye uhleleleni. But lamkhamela asayibambe lapha sho ukuthi netingululu la emgwaqweni just support. I feel like every time I send them a podcast, we need to thank these people because as Bandlula, sometimes, because I'm not going to lie to you guys, it's not an easy journey. Doing the 500 kilometers to 600 kilometers, it's not easy. The support, we really appreciate it. You know, Mindful I told Amanda for an hour or two. You know, siyabonga kakhulu for supporting us, for following us, ningagcini tubekani nendele kuhle not eating kuphela but like ama clubs if they decided to do or what we are doing as a local. Sandra, let's talk about spirit. How do you feel ngale tafula lelo? Ukuthi like I must like remember sikhiphe imali. Do you feel mina ngeleke walk ngalo field because angisenje masingabisani or do you feel we are doing an amazing job?
No, actually we are doing an amazing job. It's not about masking upside.
Yeah.
Like job action and talent. We are human.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
fanele sibuye together uma lunga leliyi-one lilahlekele same as wawena ekhaya yabona uma ngabe wena ungekho right
Yeah.
the whole family nayo igcine ingekho right because kube wena kumele kunese wena so same as uma kunelunga lelishonelwe or sishonelwe lilunga thina
Yes.
we need to be one kumele sibambisane
Yeah.
so it's not ukuthi sibadala ngoba sibambisane no it's not that
Yeah.
like kuba nebuntu
Yes.
yeah
Yes.
kuba nebuntu mina ngikhule ekhaya my mother be two mates me and my sister
Yes.
but mangikhulu asikhulanga ukuthi ngithi kuphela zoyithi
Yeah.
baningi bayafika labanye okay she was a professional nurse
Oh,
so
okay.
retired
All right.
she will come home
Yeah.
memuntu lesingamali phesheya uyabona ukuthi okay kumele sinakekele nayo leyo
Yeah,
nto.
nibe welcoming,
Sibe
nikhombe
welcoming,
uthando,
yes,
yes.
yeah, understand so
Yeah.
same as uma kushoniwe
Yeah.
sifundisiwe ukuthi sibantu abamnyama thenga ama-veg
Yes.
yiza la kushone khona
Yes.
if ukuthi you don't have money you've got a sister who knows how to bake
Yes.
like my younger sister is a baker
Yeah.
hey girl ngothenga iflower
Yeah.
uyabona
Yes.
kuba nebuntu unity
Indeed, you'll never know ukuthi umuntu lendo yakho locabanga ukuthi wena incane uyidzinga kangakanani, you know, so kubambisana lelisito lesiphana lona and njengoba sho ukuthi we are doing an amazing job. Indeed, it is amazing. Thina nje siyilo-field workers waze wasijoyina la ekhaya awunamndeni waze wangena la you become one of us. Whether uvelela simo lesinjani ekhaya thina la sinabafundisi sinako konke siphushela sipani sakho babuye abantu bamangale bathi lotha kana family lo kwenzakalani. This is us, it's lawful workers. We are not just walking, it's not only about walking, it's about giving a sister, a brother, a auntie, ugogo, you know. Ma ungana gogo nje la ekhaya bogogo bakhona, na ungana little baby ekhaya lomncane uphindulise kukhona konke la ekhaya. No, sithando sami mina nawe ngiyabona ukuthi sizokhuluma sishone but asithashe kancane la do abantwana since you've mentioned ukuthi you love autism of course bantwana but asithathe siyise la ekuthenini we adopted a home in White River Place khona ngala Michael's Children's Home, yes, whereby we make sure ukuthi asinako lokuningi but loko lesinako we make sure ukuthi bantwana bethu kufanele bagcoke icathulo kufanele badle we don't forget ukuthi kumele baye esikoleni ba-happy nabo babukeke njengalabanye bantwana. How do you feel about local workers adopting a home, doing that for the amazing kids?
Yeah, that actually is incredible because those kids they need us.
Yeah.
Baneditsingo letihlukile and all that. However,
Hello everyone. No see or repair. Hello, now Ubache. Ubache ukuthi ngo-2018 sisastrugglisha nge-transport. You know, not people.
Oh no,
Transport.
mention that one.
Garage siyashona.
Yeah.
I will ask him. Very far on the spot. So let's go bantu sami.
Akakhona ukuthi no.
Kudala alakhaya.
no, actually, because vele bekasho.
Yeah.
Sesi, please, kalulaishe bantu.
Yeah.
Siyakubona, we don't have transport. And I'm like, no problem.
Babuye.
Ababuye, let's go. Sihambe sibuye. I mean, kude lokumoshakala.
We understand.
Yeah.
Sibambisene, kuyalapha ekubambisaneni. But that was Mr. Joseph Mashaba, the founder of Lawful Workers. Babuye sisathi sonke.
Yes.
Sisaqhubeka sithandwa sami ngenzaba yenza or bese sicethile.
No. As I said, like as I was saying, ukuthi labantwana baneditsingo diningi and
Yeah.
thina sikhona. uNkulunkulu usiblessile enough.
Yeah.
Ukuthi we must share with the others. Mina I believe ukuthi what I have,
Yeah.
I must share with the next person. Uma ngabe ukuthi umuntu uyadzinga,
Yeah.
I must, kude la kumoshakala khona kimi. Yes, okay, maybe budget yami ngabe i-distributed, but then
Yeah.
month end yaqhamuka.
Tohlanganisa.
Unlike yena lo mntwana loyana doesn't
Yeah.
have anything. Rely from other people.
Yes.
So if now we're getting that opportunity to
Yeah.
like go all out, it's not kuti mhlawumbe wona sokubheka minyaka wonke no.
Exactly.
In fact, into lebangayazi when it
Yeah.
comes to
Yeah.
utivulela wena. More is coming.
Inhlanhla.
More is
Yeah.
coming. When you just keep on giving.
Yes.
God will be like, oh, mnganami.
Yeah.
Let me take care of you.
Yes.
Wena ula.
Yeah.
You know, konke kuvele kube small. Now uzumangala ukuthi ngidlule njani kule nyanga le because I know ukuthi i-account yami ngisele na 200 rand.
Yeah.
And ngisasele 2 weeks ngepetrol ngoyifaka ngayo.
Yeah.
Inyanga iphele. Ekhaya abantwana abasoboli. There is food.
Yes.
Ngaphandle kumele abasobolayo.
Yeah.
Why don't you buy those school shoes?
Yeah.
Why don't you buy the uniform?
Yeah.
Oh, bantwana tibahlale bangasathi go. Why don't you provide?
Yes.
Uyabona?
Yeah. No, Sisnosipho ngikuva ngathi Sisnosipho into ongena ngibe emotional right now. But kungiloko dithandwa dami. Giving awulahli njengoba asho ukuthi uyadivulela tinhlanhla and you don't know. You know when you are giving sometimes uthi ugcina 100 rand njengoba usho kwakhe. Mara ukubona usurvive throughout the week or 2 weeks inyanga ingakapheli ukuthi ukuthi kani undlule njani la mandla waNkulunkulu asebenta ngalenye indlela wena uma upha yena uyabonelela njengoba asho sesikuthi ubeka la uyilendo le precious kuye because bantwana bakhe uyabanakekela sithanda sami sibeka la mina nawe wena njengoba uli-ancestor ngathi ukuthi singathi khuluma ungangithatha ungibeke ePitori ngibeke eJozi ungibeke eMozambique Swaziland ungibeke eZimbabwe njengoba ungazi ungibena selithuthi singakafiki no sana sami ngiyabonga kakhulu Shem for ukujonsha ngiyalekusena I know ukuthi usuke ekhaya uthi ngiyowoka nangi Rebecca wavumbuka wathi walk for who
Umshayeli yasemgwenya.
ngimphizale yasemgwenya but ke angithi kubalekile ukuthi bantu bamade Sesinosipho ukuthi Sesinosipho ngubani udume ngani you know and people didn't know like myself I didn't know ukuthi I didn't know so isakhala so I believe now you know everything lekufanele uyadi ngasis and sesi also open manifuna kwathi ukuthi sesimanje wena ungasida ngani nasinasida are you doing teaching what not
No, I'm not in teaching.
Oh, you're not in teaching?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not in teaching.
Usithe Nicodemus niyasifuna kusida
Yeah.
okay Nicodemus liso yeah utobuta uthi sesimina nenkinga leso wena kambe wenda ini
Yeah,
then Nicodemus
then you
this
can
is no si utokutshela ukuthi okay mina ngendiloko but I know someone
I know someone.
yayibani siyayibhala ke thina la ka-Lawfold Workers nasesiwami it was a beautiful podcast a beautiful morning it is a Saturday lapho khona sithi ibhizinisi lakho maliphakame ka-Lawfold Workers together with my beautiful sister sithi #don't promise commit
#positive mindset, positive vibes. #I am possible. This is Lawfold Workers podcast, and of course, this is your host Rebecca signing out. But I will be seeing you soon this coming Saturday at Sasol Garage in White River. Of course, we'll be doing an ability beyond disability awareness walk. Now, remember. Spread the word out there. Make sure ukuthi ufinyelela kuloyo naloyo lo ne-disability and une-business la yenako kuze etaka Lawfold Workers sitokhangisa phela li-business lakhe and also siba supporting. Now remember, the aerobics is starting at 5:20 and the walk is officially starting at 5:30. So don't be late. Our theme is black and white, but if you don't have black and white, it's still okay. You can come. Mina nani asibona nekhona. Bye.